Good morning, friends. The topic for today's lecture is the China's new land border laws and the India's role. So, good morning, friends. The topic for today's lecture is the China's new land border laws and the India's role. So, when we talk about the law, it has been passed on October 23, 2021 by National People's Congress Party in China, where the law was passed by the name where the protection and the exploitation of the country's land border areas, where the China has been unilaterally took this decision, and it has been stated that it will be followed from the 1st January 2022. When we talk about the China, it had been sharing its borders with with 14 countries, where the major two longest border are with Mongolia and with Russia, where China has been stated the agreement with these two countries for the land border dispute. But when we talk about the third largest, which is India, which is more than 2400 kilometer borders, where the China is not being stable or not being agreed towards the settlement of these border issues. So when we talk about the previous agreement, where there have been number of agreements like in 1993, 1996, 2005, 2012, and also in 2013, the India and China had been went under the agreement. But recently we have seen that the Pangong Valley and the Pangong issues and the Galwan Valley issues in between the China and the India, where the China had been always crossing its lines when it comes to the agreement, and it is not following any disputes, where China has also stated in its new laws that it will be increase the infrastructural facilities between on the border areas of the number of countries, where China has not stated the India's name in its law. We have also seen that the agreement like the Bhutan, where the disputes were there, but the agreement has also been signed between the Bhutan and China recently. So when we talk about the agreement between the previously agreement between the China and Pakistan itself, where in 1963 the Pakistan has handed over the Shagham Valley into the Aksai Chin to the China. So as we have seen that when the China is not consistent towards its promises when it comes to the border dispute, the number of experts has also stated that it is only law that has been proposed by China, and it will be on the paper and not will be implemented, where the Indian government role is that Indian government has stated that the decision is being taken unilaterally without any permission or without any talk with the India about the land borders. And also the Indian army and the Indian forces has also seen that the China is building its infrastructure at the border areas like Arunachal Pradesh and the Tibetan borders, where the China is increasing its population or asking its people to settle down there, where in future it can use the same for the border disputes and for the warfares. So at last the India has been rejected the land border issue and rejected the land border law of the China, and it is firm with its own decision. And I think that the India has been prepared with the forces, and also the India is more powerful than China when it comes to the army. Thank you.